Hello everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. Well, let us explore Godrej Ananda today. Just thought of making a video on Godrej Ananda and explaining about the project, whatever information we have, whatever information we have got from portals and as well as from the sales managers. Right. First, let us begin. Let us talk about the towers which got launched, which got sold out, and then we will also talk about the coming future phase that they'll be launching. Well, let us understand first. Well, this is gonna be the main entrance. As if now, this is the entry for the marketing office which they are using. The same road will continue if somebody is coming from international airport or someone traveling from Bagalur, Bagalur road. So if you will be traveling on this road, you'll be taking a U-turn and then you'll be entering into the society, right? So this project is spread across 20 point some change, 20.56 or 78 acres of land. Let's say 20 acre of land. In 20 acres, so builder has planned up to come up in phases. So phase 1 they launched 2 years ago, got sold out. If anyone interested in phase 1, you may reach us. We have got 2 BHKs available for sale in ground floors. And then last year they launched phase 2. So in phase 2, yes, everything sold apart from 3 BHK Jodi unit of one unit available. And then they also have 3 BHK 1229 square feet available for sale, right? So these are the towers which they have, these are the phases which they have launched and which got sold out, right? So here we'll talk about the current status of the project of the towers which are under construction, and then we will straight away talk about the upcoming phase. So before that, let me show you. So this is the current marketing office of the project, which is going to be the future clubhouse as per the update, but you can get the clarification from developer. So once if you are planning for a visit, so if you're visiting for first time, don't forget to reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number and description so that it will be easier for us also to give you more information meeting you at the site. So this is the current site office, the sales office. The miniature is ready inside the marketing office, the scale model, along with the sample apartments of all the phases, phase 1 and phase 2. So a lot of open space they have is there inside the marketing office. So even if you're coming with the kids, so the kids will play here. They have a small, a beautiful structure, a small children's play area for children's. So they'll be playing here till that you can sit in the marketing office and you can finalize your dream home. So builder had a studio, 2 BHK and a 3 BHK apartment and a 3 BHK Jodi unit inside phase 1 and phase 2. So this is the first phase which they launched. Phase 1 had 3 towers, 1, 2, 3. Let us go a little closer and have a look. And then they came up with 4 towers in separate. So Godrej, they are known for a lot of greenery inside the properties. So one project they have it in Devanhalli. That project is also known for 1000 plus trees inside the project. So here are the current towers which are almost up 21, 24 or 26, 27 floor construction is going on. For the actual floor, please request you to get in touch with the CRM team if you have already finalized. If you have not finalized, you may reach us. We'll share our contact number. This is phase 1. Right behind the trees, you will be seeing phase 2. The construction is happening for phase 2. 4 towers they came up in phase 2. A, B, C, D. So here is the marketing office. Just look at how big is the site sales office. this video will help for NRI customers to take a quick decision to decide if you're not in India, and for those customers who are not in Bangalore, who are not in the state, if you are basically from other states, so that you will get idea about the location and the project. Well, since we are only talking about Godrej Ananda, so this project location, exact location of the project is in Aerospace Park. That comes in North Bangalore. Airport is the landmark for the project. Like 12 kilometers before airport, this property comes closer to the city. In between city and the airport, this project you will get, and this is in the future development location. Well, where this 3,000 acre has been announced by the Karnataka government, KIADB Aerospace Park, Karnataka Industrial Hardware and Aerospace Park, which will be coming along with the financial district, where we heard more than 40 banks has got the land allotted. I personally have seen the financial district is very, very close to the Godrej Ananda project, just about 1.5 kilometer on the main road. These are the sample apartments. I'm not going inside because if I start recording, then the video might become large. A lot of greenery. These are the sample apartments for phase 3. Will be open weekend, and here we have the Jodi 3 BHK Jodi sample apartment. Lot of open space for the visitors where they can park their vehicles here, so no tension of parking. Now coming back to the coming phase, the phase 3 that builder will be launching. It's like the model apartments are ready as of now. Well, before we talk about phase 3, let me tell you, in phase 1 they had come up with 28 floors, but now in phase 3 they are coming up with 22 and 24 floors. As if now 22 floors they have announced for the current towers that they have opened for visit, and they have opened for collecting expression of interest. So this is like 22 floor apartment. We have 2 BHK Jodi unit in phase 3. The size starts from 1092 square feet, and a 3 BHK Jodi unit 1630 as per the update which we have got, and then we have a normal 3 BHK 1588 square feet available for sale within the society of Godrej Ananda in phase 3. You may reach us. We'll share our contact number. The expression of interest are open now. The property price starts from 59.99 lakh onwards, almost close to 60 lakhs. That's gonna be the base value of the apartment, excluding other charges, not including other charges. Yeah, prices and the square feet which I'm saying, these are subject to availability and subject to change until they get the RERA. So whatever information we are providing here, this information only for information purpose only. We request all the customers to verify the property on the information while before visiting the site. So the reason why I'm saying, because since they have not got the RERA, so the square feet whatever I've said, these are as per the EOI, expression of interest, which they'll be collecting it. Yeah, we have to make sure that we are safe from our side. So that's the reason we made our channel, so that we are not providing any false information to our viewers and customers. Yes, you can trust us. If you're planning for a booking, book a property through Excel Prop Marketing Services to get some additional benefits on the cost, right? Irrespective of a developer, whether it's a Prestige one or a Brigade one or Godrej or Provident, any developer, you reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description. Book via Excel Prop Marketing Services to get good pricing and a good unit and future updates on the property updates. Like, we'll be providing all the information about the nearby products, nearby development, the future, what is happening in Bangalore, what are the upcoming projects in entire Bangalore. All this information we'll be sharing it with you if you're planning and booking through us. The mainly customer chooses a marketing channel partner for pricing. So we are here to get you a very good deal and a very good unit. So these are two important things what we understood a customer need. So we always try our best to get you very good pricing, and then the second, a good unit, whatever good options available for sale. That's it from our side, everybody. If you're watching our video for first time, don't forget to subscribe to us. I really enjoy this location because a lot of trees are there. I'm having a fresh breath. That's it. Thank you so much, everybody. Stay safe. Have a nice day.